3, 2, 1, go!
Trailbenders Overland is presented by Stocka Media and supporting sponsor, the Waterport.
So we're near East Pocket, somewhere between Flagstaff and Sedona. The road was closed, so we weren't able to camp right on the edge of the canyon last night. So we're gonna take a quick hike after eating breakfast and cleaning up camp and hoping to see some sweet views. So and get moving. Apparently it's a half-mile walk uphill.
Nothing we can't handle.
Well, nothing you can't handle. I'm about to freaking fall over. Oh, there's the view. That's awesome. Holy smokes. There's the view. Well, we just met Guy. What a cool dude.
He was super abundant with all kinds of interesting information.
We came up to East Pocket, and I thought that we were camping right on a cliff or something, but the views are all up in the tower, and the tower says, "Please no visitors." And so I was getting kind of bummed out for a second, and then Guy comes out from the top, says, "Hey, you want to come on up?" What? Just a wealth of information that guy had.
And there was the view of East Pocket.
And that was it. That's just incredible. He declined an interview, which is totally cool, but that dude, if you have a chance to come up to East Pocket, come visit. Super friendly. You'll learn all kinds of things that you'd never know otherwise. So that was a real treat.
One thing I found super interesting was how trees can be sleepers in a lightning storm. They'll harness energy for up to a week before they start fire. And
No, he said a month.
up to a month even.
Yeah, it can
Where the heat from the lightning strike will just remain in the tree for up to a month before it starts
just
to fire.
smoldering inside. He actually said there was, I don't remember if it was a bush or the pine needles that were on fire. The pine needles that were on fire, and then it ended up snowing and put it out, and then it all got covered up in snow, and 4 or 5 months later, when all the snow melted and went away, fire came out of nowhere, and it was just stored in the pine needles that entire time down under the snow. It's just, what?
It doesn't even make sense.
I don't get it.
Mother Nature sometimes.
Wild. Anyway, he told us to walk a quarter mile out this way to some views, so we can go see what that is.
And Guy's purpose being up there in the watchtower is to spot wildfires in the chance that one were to start.
Don't want to fall down that.
Quite the sight.
Yeah, this is freaking epic. And we're gonna drive down that road.
Why do we get
Slide Rock there. I've never been there, but Michael says it's super cool. So does Sarah. Oh, Sarah. I get to see you tomorrow. I miss you. Oh, shit. Thank you, Guy. Yeah, we will.
right?
It was a quick visit to East Pocket, but a good one. We're headed down the canyon to Slide Rock. After that, Sedona, then off to Jerome, the spooky old mountain ghost town.
I'm not paying $20. So we drove up like 10 miles and now we're walking there. Not 10 miles, but it's a long way. I feel like we gotta cross over. Go, 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 go! We got it! We made it. Kinda scary. I've never been to Slide Rock before, but Michael has. He says it's fun. Sarah says it's fun. My lovely Sarah says it's fun. Wish she was here.
Go join.
Well, Slide Rock is rad,
Yes, it is.
but jumping off the rocks is radder.
Haha, yeah. I would say that's about 15 feet.
Not too bad.
It's fun.
Yep.
Should do it.
Now we're going to Blue Arc.
To the Blue Arc McDonald's.
It's blue.
The only one in America, located right here in Sedona, Arizona.
I don't like McDonald's, but it's blue, so we have to go.
We kind of have to.
We have to.
I mean, what are you craving? I think I'm gonna get a Big Mac.
I think I'm gonna get like 5 McDoubles.
5 McDoubles.
Maybe even a McFlurry. That way I can have issues.
We can have issues together. I'll get one with you.
Okay.
And it'll be glorious.
We can be the issue guys.
Yes.
McDonald's was a success! Ow, ow! Let's get out of here and go to Jerome.
Heck yeah.
What?
Heck yeah.
Did I hear what I thought I just heard?
I corrected myself from saying hell because you
Help.
said no cursing.
Hulk! Hulk, yeah!
From hell to heck. From hell to heck.
Hulk!
Hulk.
The Incredible Hulk.
Hulk. first two-story building in Jerome. It had 2 rooms. It had rooms for dances, dining, and sleeping. In 1898, the structure was destroyed by a fire, typical. The Bartlett Hotel was then
burned down. Made it to Jerome. What do you think of Jerome so far?
Oh, I mean, look at it. It's definitely like a Julian in a way, but for Arizona.
Yeah, it's like an Arizona Julian.
Yeah, if you're familiar with Julian,
Old Mine
the
Town.
Gold Mine Town in California. But yeah, this city is one of a kind.
It really is.
Especially up there by the mines. You can see
Let's go down to the old mine shaft. Let's go see it.
the stories this place could tell.
Yeah. If you watched season 1, you'd know it's just my luck that something would be closed right when we were getting to visit it.
So good to see it though. Hours of operation 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. for anyone planning to do a visit here to Jerome.
Pretty cool. I guess this thing was used for like 60 years. Between 1915 and 1938, almost 4 million tons of ore. 1918 it was built. Pretty cool.
Jerome is a must-see next time you're headed through Arizona. It's full of cool roads, old history, and spooky stories. As quick as we arrived, it was time to leave. We head out on the road to our last camp of the trip.
We are spending our last night camping here right next to the Colorado River on the California-Arizona border. So, good night, and we'll see you guys tomorrow on our trip to East Jesus, to the Salton Sea possibly, and Glamis, yes. Yeah.
The moon is orange.
We escaped the many bugs that are tormenting this the Colorado River right here, but we escaped them well, and hopefully they won't be gravitating towards us with the light.
And I'm really tired.
Yeah.
Next on Trailbenders Overland, we take a quick dip in the Colorado River before we find ourselves losing things in the sand. We check out East Jesus and the Salton Sea before heading home.
Should we touch it?